The float property is used to wrap images around HTML elements, such as images, as shown in this example. In this tutorial, we'll create this effect. First, we need to set up our basic HTML page structure. Once complete, save the file as float.html. Now we need to enter a block of text in our body. Make sure that the block of text is long enough so that there is enough text to wrap around the image you're inserting. I've copied a large block of text and I'm pasting it within the body tags. Next, we'll insert the image that will be used for this tutorial. You can use your own image, or you can use the one provided in the Downloads folder corresponding to this lesson. Now we need to create the float effect by creating a style sheet and inserting the following style declaration. Now to create the float effect, float right means the image will appear on the right of the text. We could also use the float left declaration if that was our intention. In that case, the image would appear on the left side of the text. We've also added a margin so there is space on the left and bottom side of the image. Let's save our file and preview it in our web browser. And as you can see, the text is now wrapped around the image with a text 10 pixel margin on the left side and on the bottom of the image as well.